is Cassandra Olivia. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Real quickly today I wanted to bring you guys a video of how I do my silk presses on my natural hair clients. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So in the beginning is my client's hair in the natural state when she first came into the salon. There's no products, nothing in it. We shampooed her with the Influence products that I use at my salon. We use a deep cleanse shampoo, a deep cleanse conditioner, and then a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, and then just rinse that out. Now right here, I'm just giving her a 10-minute deep condition, and then I'm going to rinse her out. And now she's sitting in my chair ready to be blown out. What I'm going to use in my client today is the Rust Deep Shine Oil, and I just use the dime-sized amount of this and rub it in both of my hands and distribute it all throughout the hair. And right here, I'm going to start the blow drying process. Before I blow dry, I like to use a paddle brush, specifically one from Cosmopro's, it's one of my favorite stores, and I just detangle the hair starting from the ends, working my way up to the roots. You never want to start at the roots first because that'll create a ton of tangles, and that will just be painful. So I'm working my way from the end up to the root, and I'm just taking small sections and blow drying. So here I'm just working on my first section. Take your time. You do not have to rush through this process. I like to take my time to make sure that my client's hair is properly detangled and blown out. I do not like to rush because this is the most important part of making sure that the silk press comes out properly. If the blow dry isn't right, the press is not going to be right. So now I'm just taking another section, and now I'm just detangling the section before I start blow drying it, working out all the tangles and the knots that she might have in her hair, and just getting it to where I can easily maneuver the paddle brush through her hair and just blow dry it smoothly. And I'm just brushing for the gods, honey. And now, same thing. I'm just going to grab my paddle brush. And this is actually a Rust Speed Freak blow dry that I'm using. It's very hot. They sell it at Cosmopro. I think you can get it online too on Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but I just get mine from Cosmopro. It retails for about $90. But this blow dryer, y'all, is the freaking truth. Like, if you have somewhere to go or have a lot of hair and you're trying to hurry up and get it bone straight as quickly as possible, then this is the blow dryer for you. Excuse me, I sound a little raggedy this morning, but I use this blow dryer on all of my clients. It doesn't matter how much hair they have, this blow dryer will get the job done in a timely fashion, which you know is very important when you work in a salon setting. So here I'm just blowing out the rest of her hair, and as you can see now, it's getting nice and smooth, no tangles, and we just gonna work our way through this. If you hear crumbling noise in the background, it's baby Ava playing with her toys. And now she's all blow dried. What I didn't show in here because my phone actually died was me round brushing. But after I blow dry the hair, I just go back in with the round brush and I make sure that I round brush her roots as straight as possible. And here I'm just taking my Rust flat iron and I'm just taking a burn resistant comb first of all. And I'm just parting small sections using my comb, placing it behind the flat iron and just dragging it through her hair. And then here I'm just hitting any spots that I feel as though might just need a little bit more heat. Because with natural hair, if it's not done right, it'll draw right back up and it won't last. So I'm not going to get too repetitive right here, but basically I'm just showing you guys the steps of me parting her hair and just pressing it out as smoothly as possible, running my comb through it, making sure that I got every single hair as straight as possible. And I'm going to just continue to do this until we get to the next part. Okay guys, so now she's all pressed out. What I'm doing now is just using a little bit more of the Rust Deep Shine Oil, putting a dime size amount, not even a dime, like maybe like a pea size amount on my hand, rubbing it through her hair so that way I can go back in and put in her curls. And right here is just really simple. I'm going to part her hair in a nice section in the back, putting the rest of her hair away, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my flat iron and start placing in some like random really big barrel curls. There's really no method to my madness, guys. I kind of just look at her hair and see what I want to do, and I just go from there. Just go with the flow. So I'm round brushing. What am I talking about? It's early, y'all. Clearly I'm lost, but I am taking my flat iron and I'm just placing in curls all throughout her hair, and then when I'm done, it's gonna look really, really grandma-ish, but wait till you see the end result, guys. I'm gonna run my fingers through and I'm going to make her hair look freaking fabulous. Sometimes you just gotta take a leap of faith and just keep curling for your life and just trust the process, because sometimes doing hair you be looking like, I don't know, but then when you get to that end result, it's like, okay, Just like, you know, with makeup, sometimes it looks crazy in the beginning until you get to the end. You really just have to trust the process and just follow your gut. And here I'm just hitting a few curls that I just want to make a little bit tighter, just to give her a little bit more definition in the front. And I'm just going to keep curling for my life. I'm done talking for now, so I'm just going to let this part play through, and then I'll just let you guys know what I'm doing for the very next part. Okay, so now that's done. We're on the last curl here. I'm just going to spray her with a little bit of my BioSilk Shine On spray, I believe it was. Yes, silver bottle, BioSilk Shine On, just to give her a little bit more added shine. And then I'm going to go ahead and run my little fingers through her hair and make these curls come to life. Yes, honey, let's get it. It's starting to come together now. Yes. And her and I are really close friends, so we were sitting here geeking the whole time, bagging up. Please disregard the fact that I look like a bum. I literally came in on my day off just to do one of my favorite clients. So I look mad crusty. Like, what do I have on, guys? But anyway, back to the video. I'm just running my fingers through, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I want it to, until it lays where I want it to. And with my fingers, it really wasn't doing what I wanted it to, so I just went in and grabbed a big rake comb. And Ava has joined us, so if you hear her in the background, she's chilling. Now it's laying. You see the difference between me using my fingers and the comb? Now you can see the layers in her hair, or the illusion of layers, because her hair is actually really even. And this is just giving her, you know, just a little end result that I want. I want really soft curls framing her face, and I really want like that body in the front. And I want you to be able to tell that, you know, she went to a professional, guys. At this point, we're geeking, we're laughing, so I had to cut a lot of the video out because me and her were in here cutting up, guys. So now I'm just using a little bit of my Eben New York Edge Control Super Mega Hold, and I'm just putting that right on the front of her hair just to slick down those really crazy baby hairs in the front. Y'all know we love baby hair as black women. We don't play about our edges and our baby hair, so I'm just slicking them things right on down, and this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As you can see, her hair is bouncy. It's not stiff. She's still geeking. And I'm just spinning her around just to show you guys the end result. Hope you like. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.